Hi everyone. Earlier this week, Carl, the co-founder of Wealthy Affiliate, announced about this coming Black Friday sale 2021. And it is going to be the best ever Black Friday Wealthy Affiliate sale. There are going to be huge discounts, bonuses, and even a new business tool to help you succeed with your online business. Continue watching this video to get all the details. Remember to subscribe and get updates on the best Black Friday deals for your online business. Just because there is a huge discount during Black Friday sale at Wealthy Affiliate, it does not mean that you get less from this platform. Yes, that's right. You get all that Wealthy Affiliate offers, such as the following. Right, you get the core training and weekly added training resources, the weekly expert classes, over 250 plus per year, the state-of-the-art hosting and website platform where you can host your business website, a keyword and market research suite that's called Jaxi, a writing platform that is going to evolve drastically in 2022, and also the ability to network with close to 2.5 million aspiring and successful entrepreneurs, all that can give you help and support whenever you need it. Besides all the stuff mentioned earlier during this Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday sale, you can get bonuses too. Currently, there are no details on what these bonuses are. Carl said they will be revealed next week. So remember to subscribe when I get the updates and I share them with you what these bonuses are. And trust me, every year the bonuses are getting better and better. With the bonuses, the price offered is going to be a really great offer. Plus, there is a new tool this year. Already, Wealthy Affiliate has the awesome Jaxi tool to help you find the best keywords to get your web pages ranked. And there's also the affiliate program search tool to help you find the most profitable affiliate programs out there. Also, you get to host your websites with no additional fees, no additional web hosting fees. It's all included in the same price. Now, Carl teases with a new tool coming. I can't wait. So this year's Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday offer is going to be the biggest discount ever. Here are the prices. Do take note, this offer is only going to be available for 4 days only, from Friday, November 26th at 9 a.m. to November 30th at 11:59 p.m. PST. So don't miss it. Go to the description below, the video description below. Show your interest by joining the platform first. You don't need to pay anything yet. Just click on the link to join. You will get updated when the Black Friday sale is on. I will continue to update everyone as soon as I see more info about this Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday sale 2021. Meantime, if you're not yet a Premium or Premium Plus member, this is also an opportune time to get all that Wealthy Affiliate has to offer at a big discounted price. It will not happen again for another year, so don't miss this. Get it today. Again, go to the description below, the video description below. Show your interest by first joining the platform. When you join, you don't need to pay anything yet until you purchase the membership. Just click on the link to join. You will get updated when the Black Friday sale is on. Also, I will be sharing some of the best deals that will help online business owners as well as digital marketers. Don't miss out on these great Black Friday deals this year. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.